In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a picture on a Canva template. First, open your template in Canva. If you are on the Canva home screen, click on the design you want to edit. The editor will load and you will see your template in the middle, with a toolbar above and a sidebar to the left. Take a second to confirm the correct template is open, especially if you have several similar designs saved. Once your template is open, upload your photo. Look over to the left sidebar and click on the Uploads option. The icon usually looks like an arrow pointing up. When you click it, the sidebar panel changes, and you should see sections for images, videos, and audio, plus a button to add new files. If you already uploaded images before, you will see small thumbnails here, but we will bring in a new one now. Next, select Upload Files and choose the picture from your computer or phone. When you click Upload Files, a file window pops up from your device. Browse to the folder where your picture is saved, then click once on the image to highlight it, and confirm with the Open button. On a phone, you may see your camera roll instead, so just tap the photo you want. After that, look back at the Canva sidebar. You will see a small progress bar on your image while it uploads. Then the thumbnail appears clearly once it is ready to use. Now add the photo to a frame if your template has one. Look at your design for a box with a cloud, a landscape shape, or a gray placeholder image. That is a frame, and frames are special spots that automatically crop and mask your photo. Click on your uploaded photo in the Uploads panel, hold the mouse, and drag it over that frame. When your cursor is on top of the frame, release the mouse button. The photo will automatically snap into place and fill the frame. You will see the placeholder image disappear and your own picture show up inside that same shape. If the main part of your subject is cut off, double-click the photo in the frame to adjust the crop. Then drag it slightly so the important area sits in the center. If there is not a frame on the template, click or drag your uploaded photo onto the page instead. Then resize and move it as needed. A single click on the thumbnail will drop it onto the middle of the design, or you can drag it to an exact spot before releasing. Once it appears, you will see handles on the corners. Drag a corner outward to make it larger, or inward to make it smaller, and use the center of the image to move it around the page. A neat trick here is to watch for the pink alignment lines that appear. They help you center your photo or line it up with text. You have now added your own picture to a Canva template, either inside an existing frame or freely on the page, ready for download or sharing. If this walkthrough helped you place your image cleanly into your design, please give the video a quick thumbs up and subscribe if you would like more simple Canva tips like this.